I'm calling on the Prime Minister, who's a lawyer. He knows these things, to investigate the matter, have a separate investigation of the matter. The DPP must be held accountable for what he's done.
Attorney at law Cajetan Hood, the lawyer representing the Harbour Master crew in the incident involving the Peters brothers, as he called upon Prime Minister Dickon Mitchell to investigate the action taken by the Director of Public Prosecution, Christopher Nelson, on Monday, when the DPP discontinued criminal charges filed against the brothers. Credibility and reliability are at the center of reasons why the Director of Public Prosecution has discontinued charges against Anderson and Kiddon Peters. Hood accused the DPP of misbehavior and handling the situation with bias.
In my humble view, it is improper for the Director of Public Prosecutions to pull out 3 or 4 persons who were in a fight and charge them, refuse to charge the other persons who started the fight. And furthermore, when these 4 persons who accepted their guilt came to court and said, yes, we did that, we accept our guilt, they are punished. When these persons seek justice and say, well, the other persons who were in the fight and did me so and so and so, these persons are now charged. The DPP turns around and prevents these other persons who have been hurt and damaged from getting justice. I say emphatically, it's an abuse of the powers of the DPP, and I will insist it is misbehavior. You cannot be protecting a section or a sector of the community. It is wrong.
The lawyer questioned whether the status of the athlete had a part to play in the DPP's decision.
I understand he says it's in the public interest, and I would like to know how that classifies as the public interest, if it is only because he's a renowned athlete. And I'm asking this question: what if today or tomorrow the same athlete is the subject of a complaint from another person in the society? Let's suppose some woman or the other accuser gave him something. Are you going to tell the woman she can't have justice too? You're not going to charge the person because it is this athlete? And I think these are questions that the public need to pose and to have answers to.
Hood speaks to what the end result can be if the DPP is found guilty of misbehaving.
If the Prime Minister believes that his actions amount to a misbehavior, he can complain to the Governor General, and then a tribunal can be set up to investigate the matter. That's the Prime Minister's option. That's the only way he can be removed from misbehavior or discipline. Additionally, a person affected, like my clients, if they have the, I call it, stamina for such a fight, can instruct counsel to challenge the decision of the DPP.
The attempted criminal charges against the Peters brothers were for harm, assault, abusive language, insulting language, and obscene language, stemming from the August 10th brawl on board the party boat Harbour Master. For GBN News, Beverly Tellisford.